Hello everybody, this is Tommy and welcome to my Physics Weekly Explainer video, and today we are going to go over problem number 16.48. It says that oil explorers set off explosives to make loud sounds, then listen for the echoes from underground oil deposits. Geologists suspect that there is oil under the 500-meter deep Lake Physics. It is known that Lake Physics is carved out of a granite basin. Explorers detect a weak echo after 0.94 seconds after exploding the dynamite at the lake's surface. If it's really oil, how deep will they have to drill into the granite to reach it? So essentially, if they make a loud sound by exploding dynamite, the sound waves will travel past the water and then past the granite at varying speeds, as you can see right here, and it will travel back up. And this entire process is called the weak echo. That's 0.94 seconds. So the entire process takes 0.94 seconds. And we are going to have to find the depth of the granite. But in order to find that, we will first need to find the amount of time that it takes to travel through the water. So we will be using the velocity equation, which is just velocity equals displacement over time. Oh, my T looks a little bit weird there. So, yep, displacement over time. And that's going to be, if we rearrange the equation, in order to find the amount of time that it travels through the water, we know that the displacement is 500 meters. And we know that the speed or velocity, is 1,480 meters per second. And if we calculate this, the equal sign looks a little bit weird. If we calculate it, that should be 0.338 seconds. That's how long it takes to travel through this water. Now we're going to need to find the amount of time that it takes to travel through the granite basin. So we only need about half of this time. That's because if we divide this by half, we can just get the amount of time that it travels through the water and the granite. So if we divide it by half, that's going to be 0.47 seconds. And if we were to subtract the 0.47 seconds by the amount of time that it takes to travel through the water, we can get the amount of time it travels through the granite. So 0.47 seconds minus 0.338 seconds is going to be the total amount of time that it travels through the water. Through the granite, not the water. Sorry. And if we rearrange this equation to solve for the displacement, we're going to get time multiplied by velocity. So since this is the time, we multiply it by the velocity. And the speed of sound in granite is 6,000 meters per second. And once we complete this, we can get 792 meters, and that's how many meters they will have to dig through in order to get to the oil at the bottom right here. So yeah, that's the solution to this, 792 meters. Thank you very much, and goodbye.